I would say the thing like people are most like worried about is probably like how AI writes malware. But most of the stuff coming out is that that's a little bit overblown and that really humans trump computers when writing it. But what I think AI is really going to do is be really good at, phishing, those kind of attacks. Again, they're going to look more human. There was a recent one in banking that used one of those voice changers. It was a request using a voice changer, like you would call your boss and say, send this. And they did because it sounded just like them. They have that rapport. They have those types of conversations. And it was a pretty big financial loss. So having more guardrails in place, and it might seem silly if you get an email to post it in a Slack channel and have everyone talk about it, it's important. I know that a lot of it is, we can, do this with the AI or these bots or those are really your front of the line people that are going to notice things and landscapes changing. And I would say beyond that, flagging tools with those CSMs, giving them the ability is going to be huge. One of our partners is Dashlane, but they just did a big AI women in tech their day with AI, and they had a panelist of different hackers, different people from across the industry, and we're really diving into it. The low code, no code tools, those are going to increase customer success, making sure that you treat those people well, because those people are going to be the front line of really detecting this and phishing. They're just going to get faster. And we kind of need to be in lockstep, one step ahead. And we're only at the public one that hasn't been released. And I would say too, as an industry beyond that though, there's a lot of information. There's basically like 2 or 3 companies that store all of this data. Knowing where your data is going if you're using these tools, right? Protecting that data and how it's used. If we don't say it as we're being involved in it, protecting the data of our customers, our clients, how it's being used in these platforms. Because even that voice changer one, the fact that like your voice can be used to like phish your own parents, I would just say be more active and aware. And I think the term is politely paranoid.